Hello, Bacho. Let's read the question. The question says, how many compounds violate octet rule PCl3? So, in this question, what they have asked, so they have given the compound. So, that particular compound obeys octet rule or not. That is compound PCl3. It violate octet rule or not. So, that is the question. This is the question. So the key concept in this question here it is what is meant by octet rule. So octet rule, octa refers to 8. So it is a chemical rule of thumb. Octet rule it is a chemical rule of thumb. What it represents, what it reflects. So the main group elements or atoms in a compound. So main group elements they tend to bond in such a way that atoms in that molecule they atoms has 8 electrons in their valency shell. That means if they're having 8 electrons, if they get 8 electrons in their valency shell, what happens? Their configuration is having same as that of noble gas. That means they attain the same electronic configuration as noble gas. So now we have to see the Lewis structure of PCl3. So now we have to see the Lewis structure. Why Lewis structure here? The Lewis structure it represents bonding between atoms in a molecule as well as lone pair of electrons. So once we draw the Lewis structure, then we come to know how many atoms, how many electrons are present around each atom. So PCl3, PCl3. So one upside and here one and here one. So on chlorine having the 7 valency electrons, whereas phosphorus having the 5 valency electrons. So on each chlorine 7 valency electrons. On each chlorine, how many electrons? 7 valency electrons. Now on phosphorus, how many valency electrons on phosphorus? 1, here 2, and here 3 odd valency electrons involved in bonding. 1 it exists as lone pair. So 1 it exists as lone pair. So whenever we count the number of atoms, number of electrons around each atom, so on phosphorus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 electrons on chlorine, 8 electrons. So the particular PCl3, it obeys octet rule. So it obeys octet rule. So the final answer here it is. What is the final answer? The final answer here it is the compound PCl3 does not violate octet rule. Hope you understood well. Best of luck. Thank you so much.